Hi, to mute S Pen sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, as a first step, open Settings on your phone, and here scroll down until you'll find the tab name of which is Advanced Features. So, we would need to open this tab and here look for this category which is named S Pen. So, after you have found it, click on it to open, and here scroll down again. Here we would need to open the More S Pen settings, and also click on it. And here at the bottom part of the settings list, you'd be able to find these two features, which is sounds and vibrations. For the sounds, if this feature is enabled, you'd be able to hear the sounds when you insert or remove the S Pen or writing on the screen. And to mute it, we would need to click on this blue slider on the right edge. This is it. Now you have successfully muted your S Pen. And also, if you would like to disable the vibration as well, simply disable the vibration feature under the Sound tab. So click on this blue, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.